L14 target vocabulary. As usual, let's start with reading the words. Please read the words after me. Social, exchange, access, reinforce, storage, transport, chamber, scarce, obstacles, transfers. I'll read the words one more time. Social, exchange, access, reinforce, storage, transport, chamber, scarce, obstacles, and transfers. Now let's start with the first word, social. When an animal is social, it means that it has a certain way of living. It tends to live with other animals. It tends to live in a group. So social is relating to the way people or animals live together. Let's read the example. Many animals are social. What does that mean? It means that they live together in organized groups. So one more time. If some animals are characterized as social, it means that they live together in an organized group. If some people are characterized as social, it means that they have a certain way of living, that they like to deal with more people, they like to spend much time with other people, they like to live together in groups. The next word, exchanges. Exchanges is giving one thing and getting another. For example, some people have seen exchanges in which dolphins give and receive food, giving food and receiving food. So exchanges is to give one thing and to get another. Great. The next word, excess. Excess means extra, the extra amount. People harvest only excess honey from a beehive. The bees need the rest to live. So people take only the extra honey from a beehive. They don't take the whole amount of honey. Why? Because the bees need the rest to live. Reinforce. To reinforce is to make stronger, to make something stronger. Elephants reinforce or strengthen their bond as they protect their young. The elephants reinforce their bond or they make their relationship stronger or connection stronger as well while or as they protect their young ones. Storage. Storage is a place to keep things that you need, to keep supplies. Squirrels save food in storage. They can get food from that place later. So where do the squirrels save their food? They save the food in storage. What is a storage? It's a place where you can keep your supplies or the things that you need. Transport. To transport is to carry from one place to another, to carry something from one place to another. For example, working together is handy when a group has to transport or move a big object. So working together is useful when a group of people has to transport or to carry something from one place to another. Chamber. A chamber is a room. This insect, what do we call it? It's called wasp. So this wasp is working in a hollow chamber of its hive's nest. It's working in a hollow room of its hive's nest. So what do we call these rooms? We call them chambers. Scarce. Scarce is something that is hard to find. So when something is scarce, it means that it is hard to find. It's very rare. It's found in a little amount. So drinking water for wild animals is sometimes scarce or hard to find. Drinking water for wild animals is hard to find. It's not something that happens all the time. Obstacles. Obstacles are things that stand in the way, things that prevent you from achieving something or doing something. So what do we call the things that stand in your way and prevent you from doing something or reaching a place, we call them obstacles. So there are no obstacles blocking the entry to the rabbit's home. So let's check the picture. Can you see anything standing in the way that's blocking the entry to the rabbit's home? Does anything prevents this rabbit from going inside its home? No. So are there any obstacles? No, there are no obstacles. What does that mean? It means that no things are standing in the way that prevent this rabbit from getting inside its home. The last word, transfers. So to transfer is to move something from one place to another. Humankind transfers or passes along information through teaching. So how do people transfer or move information from one person to another or one place to another? Through teaching. That's it for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video, inshallah.